Something big is brewing in DJI's compact camera lineup. And this time it's not just internet chatter or blurry leaks. Real, official documents have stepped into the spotlight. Fresh FCC filings have confirmed that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro actually exists, and more importantly, it has already been approved for release in the United States. That alone makes this leak far more serious than the usual rumors floating around online. What makes this moment exciting is what FCC certifications usually mean. These filings tend to appear very late in the product development cycle, often right before a launch. In other words, DJI isn't experimenting anymore. They're preparing to release. And the biggest surprise here is that this isn't just a slightly tweaked Pocket 4. DJI has clearly split the lineup into two distinct versions: the standard Pocket 4 and a more advanced Pocket 4 Pro. This raises an important question for creators. Is the Pocket 4 Pro shaping up to be a must-have upgrade, or will the regular Pocket 4 be more than enough? With early details pointing toward professional-grade hardware and features, this leak hints that DJI is targeting serious creators who want top-tier performance in a truly pocket-sized device. The biggest confirmation from the FCC filing is that the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is not just a renamed version of the standard model. DJI has assigned it a completely separate identity under the name Osmo Pocket 4P. This follows DJI's long-standing strategy of separating consumer and professional gear, just like they do with their drones and gimbals. In short, this is a different camera with its own hardware foundation. According to the documents, the Pocket 4 Pro carries the model number PP041 with FCC ID 2DR P041. The certification was signed on December 15, 2025, under DJI's Osmo Technology division. That date is important because it comes well after the standard Pocket 4 filing. This confirms that DJI planned a dual model release from the very beginning, not as a reaction to market feedback. Leaks surrounding the Pocket 4 Pro have been circulating for over 6 months, but one rumor stands above the rest: a built-in dual-lens camera system. If this turns out to be accurate, it would immediately set the Pro version apart. A dual-lens setup opens the door to more creative flexibility, better framing options, and improved dynamic range without relying purely on digital zoom. Interestingly, the rumored lens configuration is said to resemble what DJI uses on its Air Series drones. That's a big deal. Drone cameras prioritize versatility and image quality, and bringing that philosophy into a handheld pocket camera could dramatically change how creators shoot travel, vlogs, and cinematic B-roll. The FCC documents also reveal practical usability details. Regulatory and compliance information can be accessed directly through the camera's interface by swiping down and navigating through settings. This confirms a built-in screen and refined software experience similar to previous Osmo Pocket models, but clearly designed for a higher-end device. Battery specs give us another hint at what to expect. The Pocket 4 Pro is listed with a 7.4V battery rated at 1,545 mAh. Compared to earlier models, this suggests increased power demands, likely driven by stronger processing, enhanced stabilization, and more advanced wireless features. Safety testing further reinforces that this product is nearly launch-ready. The Pocket 4 Pro has passed full SAR testing, even under conditions where Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active at the same time. While 5 GHz Wi-Fi naturally shows higher values than 2.4 GHz, everything remains comfortably within FCC safety limits. This strongly points toward faster wireless performance without compromising user safety. All of this lines up perfectly with DJI's recent approach to Pro products. Much like the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, which focuses on premium features and professional workflows, the Pocket 4 Pro appears designed for creators who demand more than casual performance. Taken together, this FCC leak does far more than confirm a product name. It confirms DJI's direction. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is not an experiment, and it's not a niche accessory. It's a serious attempt to redefine what a pocket-sized camera can offer professional creators. With regulatory approval already secured, its arrival in the US now feels inevitable. Just like the Mavic 4 Pro, the Pocket 4 Pro isn't trying to be affordable or casual. It's aiming to be powerful, refined, and future-ready. The rumored dual-lens system, stronger battery, advanced wireless performance, and pro-level branding all point toward a compact camera built for serious work. For casual users, the standard Pocket May 4th still be the smarter choice. But for creators who care deeply about image quality, flexibility, and long-term value, the Pocket 4 Pro is shaping up to be something special. At this point, the only real mystery left isn't what the Pocket 4 Pro is. It's when DJI decides to officially reveal it. And when that happens, the compact camera market may not look the same again.